To all. The topic of my lecture is ceramics, introduction and types. Ceramics include all articles which are essentially silicates. More strictly speaking, articles which are made of clay are known as ceramics. The term ceramics has been derived from the Greek word keramos, meaning pottery, and ceramics are therefore also called as clay products or pottery products. Nowadays, we refer or we understand ceramics as those articles of pottery and also the manufacture of all those articles in which clay or similar plastic raw material is used, and which, after having been shaped and dried, are subjected to a firing process to make them hard or to give them the desired mechanical strength. This covers a large variety of products such as tableware, crockery, sanitary ware, etc. Ceramic products are extensively used, for example, in the construction and decoration of buildings, in the form of bricks and tiles, in the manufacture of metals, that is, in refractory materials. Ceramics are also used in the manufacture of chemical products like stoneware and porcelain. They are used in the drainage of water and sewage in stonewares. They are used in the sanitation industry. They are also used as insulators in the electrical industries. Ceramic materials and wares can be divided into the following basic groups according to the main fields of uses. The first main type of ceramics are known as the structural ceramics. Articles which are mainly used in construction purposes for buildings and other structures belong to this group. For example, building bricks, which include common bricks, brick wall, brick block, hollow tiles, roof tiles, drain tiles, etc. The second type of group or the second type of ceramic group is the facing materials. This group includes those types of ceramics in which articles are used for internal and external facing of buildings and structures. For example, facing bricks and slabs and oven tiles. Third type of group is that which includes refractories. Refractories includes those materials which retain their mechanical properties at a temperature of 1000 degrees centigrade and higher. These are also used in making various parts of industrial furnaces, ovens, and apparatus for operating at high temperatures. The next group of ceramics are known as fine ceramics. These include porcelain wares and glazed pottery, and they are used domestically. That is, they are used for making dishes, for wash basins, sinks, decorative articles, and electrical purposes, electrotechnical porcelain, and in laboratories for chemical work. The next type of group is the special ceramics. This includes group of articles with specific properties utilized in radio industries, for aviation instruments or manufacture, etc. Thank you.